Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First time in my life cooking beef innards with akune. First time banasa se kinawo. Akune aro guru laga bed nari first time banasa se. Mida hobo na nai. Sabode. David, come and eat with me. Come and eat. Wow.
About what is this? Huh? Oh, my teeth is hurting me. I don't like it. Mommy, a little. This is hot toast. Oh,
You want to eat?
I want to eat this. Thank you. Yeah, so yummy. But I want little mukbang. No, I want no.
No noodles mo ka.
Noodles mukbang.
Next time. Today spice mo ka. Good level.
Okay. Is it spicy? I'm eating rice.
Only rice. Huh?
Because I want to get big. A little bit.
You cannot eat spicy. You're not eating for long. Eating only rice, white rice is yummy.
It's so yummy.
Oh.
One day mommy cooks like that.
Oh.
I don't like all the spicy rice. One day little bit I eat that spicy rice.
Spicy rice.
And hot sauce too. This is chicken.
Beef. You like chicken or beef?
This is beef.
Beef dinner.
But mommy said hot sauce.
Hot dog.
Hot sauce. Okay. You going to finish?
What kind of mukbang? Only white rice. What is this?
I can eat more? I can. I want to eat like you. I finish that. This.
Eat like me, not then. This also eat.
I don't. Papa, see, I'm eating this one. What is there like this now? I'm eating like this.
How is today mukbang? How is today mukbang?
So nice. And I do mukbang, right? You know?
You finish your homework?
Oh, yes.
Wow, good, yeah.
Papa, I don't finish.
Huh?
I don't finish. Let me finish the second, okay?
You tell me and kaima is eating very nicely, no?
Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, finish it. Well, see, I have only this much. I finish now, I come like you.
If you eat nicely, I will do your mukbang with you.
Really? Are you alone?
Yeah.
You have to eat more rice.
You should know how. You should like to cook. And how different you can forget.
You have to eat even spicy meat and vegetable like that.
Okay.
Not only noodles. Last bite.
See, I'm gonna finish. I'm winning. Yeah, me.
This is akune gravy.
Hmm?
Akune gravy. Nagaland food.
And
You are
me
eating.
too.
You are eating. Not Nagaland food also, not Indian food also, not African food also. What
I
food
eat-
is that? White rice and butter. What country food is that?
This is only Nagaland food.
Oh my god, Nagaland people don't eat it.
What is this? Bye. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe our channel.
Apa channel tang?
Our channel. Like and subscribe and our channel.
Bye!
Bye.